Hi and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this butterfly granny square. So you will need two colors of yarn, a crochet hook that would fit your yarn, so I'm using 4.5mm hook and paintbox cotton yarn, and then scissors. First, take the yarn that you want your butterfly to be. So mine will be green. And then make a slip knot. And chain 5. Now turn your work and we're gonna do 4 single crochets. So gonna go into the second stitch from the hook. So this is like a little body. And now we're gonna chain 4. And now we're gonna do quadruple crochet. So just wrap your hook 3 times. And go into the second stitch. And pull through 2 4 times. And now we're gonna do again to the same stitch. So wrap around 3 times and go into the same stitch. And now chain 4. Go into the next stitch and do a slip stitch here. And now again chain 4. And again now in the last stitch we're gonna do 3 quadruple crochets. So wrap your yarn around the hook 3 times. And 2 more. And after chain 3, and do a slip stitch into the first chain here. So we're making this like a little bump here. And now chain 6. So just go into the first stitch here and do a slip stitch. And now again chain 6. and then kind of keep an eye on where your 6th stitch is and chain 3 more. And then we're gonna slip stitch here in the 6th chain to make that little curve again. And then we're gonna go and do 3 quadruple crochets into the 1st stitch. Then chain 4, and slip stitch into the 2nd chain. Then chain 4, and then again we're gonna do 2 quadruple crochets into the same stitch. So in the 1st stitch here, then chain 4, and slip stitch into the 1st chain, and then chain 1, just pull through and fasten off your yarn. So now we have done the butterfly, and now we're gonna do the edges to make it into a square. So now take your 2nd color for the background, and we're gonna attach it in here, so where your 1st quadruple crochet starts on the wing. So just put your hook here, take the yarn, and you can do like a little knot. And then we're gonna chain 2, I'm gonna do 2 single crochets here. 1 and 2. Now for this little corner, we're gonna chain 3 to kind of go around it. And we're gonna do single crochet into the chain here. And then we're gonna do half double crochet into the next chain. And double crochet into the other one. Then we're gonna do triple crochet into this chain, middle chain here. So wrap twice, put it in the middle, and pull through. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1. I'm gonna do another triple crochet into the same chain, into the same stitch. So now skip the first 3, so 1, 2, 3, and do double crochet into the 4th stitch, then half double crochet, and single crochet. And now again, to go around, we're gonna chain 3. And I'm gonna do single crochet here. And then another single crochet. Then half double crochet. Then chain 1. And we're gonna go into the stitch here. So we're gonna do quadruple crochet again. So wrap your yarn around 3 times and then go in here. And just go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're gonna chain 1. I'm gonna do double crochet. Then half double crochet. Then double crochet. Chain 3. Then do double crochet, get into the same stitch you did before. So to make a little corner, and then do half double crochet. Then double crochet. And again, for the middle here, we're gonna do same as we did here. So triple crochet. Then chain 1, and again, triple crochet into the middle. Then we're gonna skip 1 and do double crochet. And half double crochet. Then double crochet. Then chain 2, and then do another double crochet into the same stitch as before. And half double crochet. Then double crochet. chain 1, and now again for here we're gonna do quadruple crochet, so wrap 3 times, go into the middle here, pull through, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then chain 1, and we're gonna connect here with the beginning with a slip stitch. And in the end you should have something like this. And now for the last row, we're just gonna chain 3, and now we're gonna do double crochets all around. So first we're gonna do double crochet here, and another one, and for the corner here we're gonna do 1 double crochet, chain 3, and then do another double crochet, and then again just continue as normal. And now all around we're gonna do double crochet in each stitch, and in the corner it's gonna be 1 double crochet, chain 3, and 1 double crochet. And I'm gonna meet you when you're here. And when you reach the end, we're just gonna connect again with a slip knot. So just go into the first stitch and pull through, and then just chain, pull through, cut your yarn, and fasten top. And after that your square is done, and you should have something like this, a little butterfly and like a square around it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in my future videos. Bye!